Welcome to Pilates. So, core engaged, tall through the body, shoulders back, soft knees, feet hip distance apart. Swing the arms up by the ears. Up nice and high, relax the shoulders, open out the chest. The shoulder blades are being squeezed together. Scoot the belly button in, push back. Get those arms up. As soon as the arms come forward, that's your limit as to how far down you can go. Breathe in, head and neck stay in neutral. You're going to push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Go again. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Really making sure those arms are staying high. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back. Make sure you breathe in, don't hold your breath. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come up, 2 more. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes. Come back up, last one. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Shoulder roll. Okay, so arms come in front, elbows slightly lower than shoulders. Take the arms back. Bring it forwards, arms back. As you do that, make sure the head stays in line with the spine. Don't push the head forward. Last one, this time keep the arms out to the side. Side bend. Center. Side bend. Center, don't let the body come forwards. Side bend, center, side bend, center, side bend, center. Last one, side bend, center. Bring the arms down, shoulder roll. And another one. Okay, left hand points down, palm back, right hand comes up. Stretch, relax the shoulders. So tall through the body, core engaged. Swap them over. Make sure that top arm goes nice and back. Keep the shoulders down. Bring it back. So as you stretch, you're not actually tipping. So your body stays still. You're just stretching down through the left hand and up through the right. Change over. Keep breathing. Last one. Arms come down, shoulder roll. And another one. Okay, shrug the shoulders up to the ears and let them down. Shrug them up to the ears, let them down. Shrug them up to the ears, let them down. Last one. Shrug them up to the ears, let them down. Okay, we're going to come down to the mat. We're going to come into box. Good boy. Thank you very much. Very nice to see everybody.